Welcome back to your favorite channel, AR Sparks.
It is festive season in India.
And Diwali, the festival of lights, is round the corner.
So in this video, we will make diyas.
So let's get started. Take a colored A4 size paper. We need to make circles of the same size. We need to make 3 circles over here and 4 circles over here. Then cut them. We have made 12 circles. Now we need to fold this circle. First, fold it into a half. This makes a semicircle. Now fold it again into a half. This looks like this. Fold the other circles in the same way. We are done. Open this. We need to stick this part. Apply glue only on the half of the part. Like this. Don't apply glue over here. And press it. Now let this dry. Do the same for the other parts. We are done sticking them. We need to stick all these parts together. Apply glue from the closed side. Here, this is the open part. Apply glue in a L shape and paste them together. Paste the 2 open parts together on the same side. Do the same for the others. We are done sticking them. Now let them dry for a while. Now open this. It makes a flower-like shape. We need to glue it. Glue it like this in a L shape and paste. Let it dry. This is ready. Now we will make the jewel. Take a golden colored glitter paper or any other paper, and then I am sticking a silver colored paper in the middle. Now put this here like this. Our diya is ready. Hope the video enlightens you to make this.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to your favorite channel.